our coffee dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 8 inches, a depth of 15 3/4 inches, and a height of 22 1/4 inches tall. The height from the base to the top of the urn, we have 13 1/2 inches tall. And the flip cover to pour in your ingredients. By removing this urn, you can clean all the axes and debris. Measurements for the urn will include 7 1/4 inches in radius, by 3 1/4 inches in height. Coming to the top will be the power switch along with light indicator. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.